Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is me Garima, and I get zillion of messages every day asking me the secret of my flat belly. What do I do? What are the exercises lazy people can do? I know all of you are not super active, so I wanted to show you that how I have this flat belly without much effort, and it's one single isometric move that I've been doing for years. Best part about this exercise is that by incorporating this, you actually strengthen your transverse abdominis, which is the most important core muscle. And also at the same time, you can do this exercise on an empty stomach, even while lying down, watching TV, sitting on the couch, doing grocery, while driving, or even while cooking. Let's see how we do it. Now, before I tell you the name of this exercise, the technique of this exercise, and you can actually practice with me, there's this little disclaimer that I would like to give. People who've had any heart issue, have blood pressure problem, or have had any abdominal surgery, please refrain from doing this before you ask your doctor. Also, pregnant women should completely not do this, and especially somebody who's just given birth. So within the first few weeks of your postnatal, do not attempt this exercise. And let's see how we do this exercise. So before we start this exercise, make sure that you're empty stomach, so you can do it first thing in the morning or just before you're about to go to sleep on your bed, or if you're doing it throughout the day, as I said, on your chair or your desk or while driving or anywhere sitting or cooking, make sure that you're empty stomach. So this is called stomach vacuum technique that has first started, it was introduced to me first after my first child birth. So it is very nice posture, and it definitely gives you a very nice midriff and also works on toning your overall abdominal muscles. So first thing we can try as a beginner is the standing one. So for standing, you should actually be like this and then bend slightly forward, place your hands on the knees, and then inhale and exhale at least few times to warm up your stomach. Try to do the belly breathing. Instead of the chest cavity breathing. And let's see. So if you're a beginner, then I highly recommend that you first try the exercise standing. And in front of the mirror, if you do it, you'll be able to see your stomach moving in and out. First thing is to warm up your stomach for this kind of a stomach vacuum. We call this in yoga as the abdominal lock. It gives you a great sense of breath focus, body balance, and also a lot of abdominal strengthening and core tightening. So what we do is we stand in front of the mirror, and then we're going to bend from for our back and also place our hands on the knees like this, and then we are going to warm up the core by breathing in and out. The breath should be from the abdominal like this. Now our core is warmed up. So now that the core is warmed up, let's get into the position. So standing position, bending from the back and placing our hands on our knees, and then we go with a deep inhale, filling our lungs, and then exhale through the mouth. And when we exhale, we tighten our abdominals, we pull it in and up like this, and we stay here for at least 15 counts. Remember, you're not breathing in this. And release. Now let me show you how you can do this exercise lying down. So supine position is very easy to do. You have to just lie down on your bed or your mat like this. Keep the legs folded like this, and make sure that there is no space between the floor and your back. And then you inhale and you exhale and pull your stomach in and up. And release. Always take a breather before you move on to another kind of an exercise or another hold. take a deep breath, take a deep breath out, and then from here I'm going to show you how we do it on all fours position, which is used extensively during the yoga asanas. So you come in all four, your toes are pointed outwards like this, and then the knees are directly under your shoulders, palms are directly under your knees, are directly under your hip bones, palms are directly under your shoulders, and then you inhale and exhale and create that vacuum. And release. So now let me show you how we do it on the chair. So if you're seated on the chair and you're working on your computer, so make sure that your spine is absolutely straight. It's not scooping down, it's not collapsing. It should be absolutely straight. And then after that, you place your legs on the floor. You inhale, you exhale, and suck it in. Create that hollow, create that vacuum. Let me show you. Ideally, you should place your hands on your knees and release. Keep taking breathers before you attempt this exercise, even while cooking. Just all you have to do is just squeeze your glutes and tuck and create a vacuum, create a hollow in your stomach. So this stomach vacuum technique is a great way to contract deeply your abdominal muscles and also understand that how these kind of abdominal locks or the Uddiyana Bandha helps you during your yoga practice also. And yet at the same time, if you look at it aesthetically, then it gives you a flat, well-toned stomach. So hope you like this video. Do try it out, and best position to start is either standing or the supine first, before you try it out while you're shopping or cooking or on the go. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching this space for more. Bye guys.